Hi, welcome to our second week of English 1101. Today I'm going to be introducing the photo reflection assignment. So give me half a second while I pull it up. The photo reflection assignment is what you're going to be working on this week. And as we are going through this, prepare yourself to tell me a story. The goal for this first reflective essay is for you to write about a photo of yourself. Ideally, your reflection will include a description of the photo, the story behind the photo, and a reflection about why you chose the photo. One of my main goals this semester is to help you to be more specific and detailed in your writing, and descriptive writing is a great tool to practice that. Let's look at an example. This is from a short excerpt from my photo reflection titled Swingin' on a Star. Grandpa says, "Okay, here you go, Lisey," as he places a pink corsage on my orange brownie uniform and begins to fasten it on with a pin. It's a pink carnation with a spray of baby's breath and a pink ribbon. When he first gave it to me a few minutes ago, the clear plastic package was dusted with snow. I opened the package, and when I touched the flower, it was still cold from being kept in the refrigerator. Grandpa's my date for the night, and this is my very first corsage. I feel like I'm getting ready to go to a very adult, very formal dinner party rather than a father-daughter school Girl Scout dance. Dinner. Grandpa's dressed in a light bluish suit and tie, his dark hair elegantly slicked to the side. He's wearing Old Spice. I, too, am sophisticated, with my curled hair in an owl headband, my jean skirt, and my white tights with tennis shoes. That's how it feels to me, anyway. I'm tingling with giddy anticipation. Everything we do to prepare for the dinner seems to have a tinge of shining electricity. Here's the photo I described. Notice how I used dialogue. Also sensory details. Explanations of how I'm feeling. Physical descriptions of both people in the photo, and description of other objects in the photo. You can read other examples of the photo reflection assignment by going to course documents in Moodle and clicking on short paper examples. I have provided examples of every assignment you'll write this semester, and there's a lot of them for each assignment too. As you work on selecting a photo, be sure that, first of all, it has you in it. We are using this assignment as a way for you to introduce yourself to me and also to start exploring your identity, which is one of the goals of this course. Oops, I'm not done. I also recommend you pick a photo with a story to tell. Sometimes a blurry, unattractive photo has a better story than a perfectly styled headshot. You can see the ones I've written about have a lot of variety and definitely create a scene in which something is happening. You will be reading the Writer's Toolbox and doing some activities involving the concept of snapshots from that reading. Those activities will help you get started on this assignment. Some recommendations about how to get started if you're struggling include draw the photo, copy it. This is about noticing details and getting inside the picture, not about creating a beautiful image. Reconstruct the context: who, what, when, where, why. Emotional content: what were you feeling when the photo was taken? And then add dialogue. If there's no spoken dialogue, I'd be willing to bet there was an inner dialogue within your own mind. Try to recreate it. Start your reflection by writing in the first person present tense to describe your photo. I am blank. You might think the past tense is easier, but I find that writing in the present tense makes description and dialogue easier. Give it a try. The basic requirements for this paper in terms of formatting are to first aim for around 2 pages, 12-point font, double-spaced. For formatting, you don't have to use MLA or APA, but make it readable. Fancy fonts are hard to read. Titles matter to me, and I will be hounding you about your titles all semester. Do not call it photo reflection. Call it something else. When it comes time to submit your essay, please convert it from whatever word processing file type you're using into a PDF. You will upload that file along with a separate photo file to Moodle. You will need to submit the assignment before Sunday at midnight. And that's it. Happy writing!